Welcome back to Jobcasting. Today we're diving into the world of nursing. If you've ever wondered how to become a registered nurse, what it takes, and what you can expect from this rewarding career, then stick around. We're covering everything from requirements and personality traits to salary expectations and the best nursing schools. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the basic requirements to become a registered nurse. Generally, you'll need to obtain a high school diploma or GED, complete an accredited nursing program, which could be an associate degree in nursing or a Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Pass the NCLEX RN exam to get your nursing license. Meet any additional state-specific requirements, which may include a background check or additional certifications. ADN programs typically take about 2 to 3 years to complete, while BSN programs take around 4 years. Both paths can lead you to becoming a registered nurse, but a BSN might offer more opportunities for advancement. Personality traits for nurses. Now, nursing isn't for everyone. Certain personality traits can make a big difference. Here are some qualities that are essential for a successful nursing career. Empathy. Nurses need to understand and share the feelings of their patients. Patience. The job can be stressful and requires dealing with challenging situations calmly. Attention to detail. Mistakes in healthcare can be critical, so attention to detail is crucial. Communication skills. Nurses must effectively communicate with patients, families, and other healthcare professionals. Physical and emotional stamina. Nursing can be physically demanding and emotionally draining. If these traits resonate with you, nursing might be a great fit. But if you're not comfortable with high-stress environments or the idea of working closely with people in distress, it might not be the best choice. Let's talk about money. How much can you expect to make as a registered nurse? Starting salary. On average, new nurses can expect to make around $60,000 to $70,000 per year, depending on the location and type of healthcare facility. After 10 years with experience, your salary increases significantly. RNs with a decade of experience can make between $80,000 and $100,000 annually. After 20 years, veteran nurses can earn upwards of $100,000, especially if they've moved into specialized fields or leadership roles. Salaries can vary widely based on geography, specialization, and additional certifications. Just like any career, nursing has its pros and cons. Let's break them down. The advantages. Job security. There's a high demand for nurses, ensuring strong job security. Rewarding work. You get to make a real difference in people's lives. Diverse opportunities. There are many specialties and career paths within nursing. Good salary and benefits. Competitive pay and benefits, including health insurance and retirement plans. Disadvantages. Stressful environment. High-pressure situations and emotional strain. Physical demands, long hours, and the need for physical stamina. Exposure to illness, regular exposure to diseases and infections. Irregular hours, shift work including nights, weekends, and holidays. So, what happens after you graduate from nursing school? Here's what to expect. Your NCLEX RN exam. You'll need to pass this exam to become licensed. Job search. Start applying for positions. New grads often begin in hospitals, clinics, or long-term care facilities. Orientation and training. Expect an orientation period where you'll learn the ropes of your new job. Continuing education. Nursing is a field of continuous learning. You'll need to stay updated with new practices and possibly pursue additional certifications. How much will nursing school cost? Well, it varies. ADN programs typically range between $6,000 to $20,000. BSN programs can range from $40,000 to over $100,000, especially at private universities. However, financial aid, scholarships, and grants can help offset these costs, so be sure to explore all of your options. If you're aiming high, here are some of the top nursing schools in the U.S. Number 1, Johns Hopkins University. Number 2, University of Pennsylvania. Number 3, Duke University. Number 4, University of California, San Francisco. Number 5, University of Washington. These schools offer excellent programs, but remember, other schools provide quality education as well. So to recap, here are some steps to becoming an RN. Graduate from high school, complete an accredited nursing program, pass the NCLEX exam, obtain state licensure, start applying for RN positions. Consider gaining experience through internships or volunteer work to straighten your resume. Well, what if nursing isn't for you? Here are some alternative career options in healthcare that may interest you. Medical assistant requires a shorter training period and offers a mix of administrative and clinical duties. Licensed practical nurse. Less training than an RN, but still involves direct patient care. Healthcare administrator focuses on the business side of healthcare. Physical therapist or occupational therapist specializes in rehabilitation and requires specific education. Public healthcare worker involves community health initiatives and education. In many cases, credits from nursing programs can be transferred to these related fields, so your time and effort won't be wasted. That's a wrap on how to become a registered nurse. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Jobcasting, and hit the bell icon for notifications on new content. We create videos covering every kind of job. Follow us for updates and share in the comments the type of career jobs you're interested in. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.